Ada to.
And we're up to the ball game. Charles, ngayon may hawak ng bola. Sige po.
Tachan.
Uy, oras. Sige, running time na. Shot clock is at 16. Binigay kay Mike. 13 to shoot. Mike, pinasa kay Jello. Jello takes. Pass to the corner.
7.
No good. Rebound Kenneth. Outside. Walang foul, baliw.
Gago yung mali mo may maiwan.
Score, wala pa nakaka-score ngayon. Kahit 1 minute na nakalipas. Shot clock at 15. Mike finding someone. Spins. Mike finds, no, stolen by Kenneth. Outlet pass to Magallanes. Magallanes all the way. 2 points. Assist by Kenneth.
Grabe, nag-deliver.
Mike may hawak ng bola.
Tropa niya siya.
Mike finds Mark. Charles, 14 to shoot. Finds Alvin. 12 to shoot. Alvin finding someone. Stolen again by Kenneth. Kenneth turning on the Jets. Kenneth going all the way. 2 points. Kenneth Talose. Mike may hawak ng bola. Mike nagdadala. Pinasa kay Alvin. 15 to shoot. To Casey. Casey. No good ang jumper ni Casey. Kenneth turning on the Jets once again. Kenneth going all the way. No good. Rebound Kenneth is good. 2 points. Kenneth Talose. Charles may hawak ng bola. Our score is 6-0. Shot clock is at 13. Shot. 9 to shoot. Charles takes a jumper. Jumper is good. Charles Lita. Magallanes may hawak. Binigay kay Jello. Jello Pernas for 3. No good. Off right. Charles may hawak ng bola ngayon. Shot clock is at 17. Charles pinas sa corner. Alvin for 3. No good. Rebound. Can't be saved. Our score 6-2 in favor of Team Blue.
Tangin mo isang buo, gago ka pa.
Ay, saan ito?
Kupal. Kupal ang puta, susuluhin yung isa, gago no.
Yan sa'yo. Ito dalawa sa referee to. Shot clock is at 17. Michael Yanes tumira ng press. No good. Tinapik yung bola. Rebound Alvin. Charles may hawak. Charles. 18 to shoot. Charles. Driving. Nope. Kuha ni Mike. Mike quick lang daw. 13 on the shot clock. Binigay kay Alvin Santos. Alvin for 3. No good. Rebound ni Casey. Binigay kay Alvin. Shot clock reset at 18. No good pa rin. Tapik. Kuha ni Kenneth. Shot clock at 18. Kenneth nagdadala ng bola. Kenneth pinasa kay Mike. Mike doesn't take a three. Fakes. Drop pass to Jervy. 2 points. Jervy T. Assist. Magallanes. Jervy T. Number 2. Shot clock at 15. Charles. 9 to shoot. Charles takes a jumper. Jumper is good. Charles Leetown. Six minutes remaining in the first quarter. Shot clock set at 15. Jello finds Kuya Anjo. Anjo for 3. No good. Rebound Mark Ramos. Pinasa kay Charles Litang. Charles outlet pass to Mike. Mike back to Charles. Doesn't take a 3. Drives left. Right hand layup is good. Charles Litang 6 straight points. Our score 8-6 in favor of Team Blue. Shot clock at 18. Mike nabitawan. Nagagawan nila ni Mike. Mike 2v1 situation, 3v1 situation. Pinasa kay Casey. Cannot connect the pass. Turnover head. Mike, pinasa kay Jello. Jello, drive left. Pass to Jervy. Jervy, no good. Rebound, Ramos. Muntik na maagawan. Finding someone. Finds Charles. Shot clock at 16. Mark tumanggap. Mark pinasa kay Mike. Mike, no good. It's short. Oh, agawan. Nakuha ni Jervy. Mike ngayon may hawak na bola. Mike versus Mike. Oh, crossover. Smooth crossover. Drop pass to Kenneth. Kenneth driving. 2 points. Kenneth lost it. Change 5 rep. Pasok po, change 5. Our score 10-6. Aray.
Coach no, coach kaya.
Cedric may hawak ngayon ng bola.
Tama lang yun.
Sino next game ito? Sila Chan. Cedric binigay kay Alvin. Duty. 9 to shoot. Alvin tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound Kenneth. Ay, knock pala. Sorry. Akasio may hawak. Akasio. 15 to shoot. Binigay kay Lenching. Lenching drive into the paint. No good. Tapik ni Harlego. Binigay kay Knock. Shot clock reset. Binigay kay Knock for 3. No good. Outlet pass to Alvin. 2v1 situation. 4v2 na. Ang daming nakahabol na Team Blue. Grabe ang bilis. But Red will take it. Bye! Kaya ba next game? Kaya next game, kuya? Yellow, next game. Charles, 13 to shoot. Charles binigay kay sino yun? Baby Shop. Pero naagawan ni Harlego. Binigay kay Kurt. Kurt ngayon naghahawak ng bola. Picked up by 2 defenders. Who's ball? Rep. Red. Red ball. Inbound play. Cedric finds Charles. Doesn't take a 3. Binigay kay Ced. Muntik na maalaw. Shot clock at 16. Cedric may hawak. 14 to shoot. Cedric crosses over. Driving. Ooh! Mark. Nice set. Wait lang, nagkakagulo. Lenching may hawak. Kurt nagdala. Kurt. Harlego, 2 points. Timeout.
Baba. Ito po taas.
Alvin binigay kay Charles. Shot clock at 18. Charles binigay kay Mark. Mark posting up. Nakagaw ni Sabio. Munik na makagaw ni Casey. Casey nag-aabol kay Knock. Traveling.
Pagod talaga. Pagod talaga.
Charles may hawak ngayon ng bola. Lamang ng 6 ang Team Blue. Charles binangga si Kurt. Binigay kay Casey. Casey takes a 3. No good. Rebound Mark. Finds Charles. Doesn't take it. 19 on the shot clock. Charles driving. 2 points. 8 straight points for Charles Dayton. Kurt outlet pass to Lenching. 2 points. Assist Akasio. Lenching, 27. Alvin binigay kay Charles, muntik na ma-backcourt. 10 to shoot. Charles finds Mark. Wow, who's foul? Rep. Who's foul? Rep. 27. Panginoon si 27. First personal foul, first team foul. Charles finds Mark again. Naghahanap pa pasahan, binalik kay Charles. Charles takes a 3 now. No good this time. Harlego rebound. Binigay kay Lenching. Binigay kay Kurt. Last 1 minute in the first quarter. Kurt takes a three. No good. Rebound, Kurt. Kurt drop pass to Harlego. 2 points, Harlego. 1 point, 1 assist, Akasho. Oh, dalawa na. Shot clock at 15. Last 40 seconds remaining. Hard screen by Casey. Foul. Number 15. First personal foul, second team foul.
Remix, give me go. Abuso.
30 seconds remaining. Casey may hawak ngayon ng bola. Shot clock at set at 19. Casey pass to Alvin. Alvin for 3. No good. In and out. Rebound Lenching. Lenching. Nagtutuloy ngayon ng bola. Binigay kay Knock Knock. 16 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Knock Knock. Knock Knock driving. Floater. No good. Rebound Casey. Last 10 seconds. Casey turning on the Jets. 5 remaining. 4, 2, foul. Shooting foul rep. 3 free throws rep. 3 free throws.
That's
3
my
shots,
man
3
yan.
shots.
That's my man yan, that's my man.
First personal foul, 13 foul. Yan ko mic.
Go.
That's my man!
Gago ang pumunta.
Isa lang. Second shot. Hindi na nagsalita.
Sinasabi good pa. Good foul.
Last shot, Hartendorf.
Good foul.
No points for Casey on that foul.
Good foul. Post yun pagka ano, post lang. Post lang.
Post lang.
Sino pa ba yun?
Shot, set. Kenneth tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound ni Ramos. Charles binigay kay Cedric. Cedric pushing down the ball. Cedric picked up by Mike. Cedric. Foul. And 1. Who's foul rep? 28. First personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot, Cedric Tita. Magallanes. Bonus shot is short. Rebound ni Kenneth. Binigay niya kay Jello. Ooh! What's the call, rep? Paa?
Kickball.
Okay, kickball.
You know the root of it. You know the lies and you know the truth.
Our score 16-10 in favor of Team Blue. Whoa! Muntik na mago ni Mike pero recover ni Jello. Jello takes a 3. Oh no. Swivel pass is no good. Turnover Blue.
Take care of it all. Take care of it all. Until the dark days over. The dark days are done and you know why.
Wala akong nakikita may-ari ng Honda City ngayon. May-ari ng Honda City na sa
Nararamdaman yung teammate ko ah.
Hindi ko nararamdaman si Potts ngayon. 12 to shoot, Cedric. Cedric stolen by Denzel. Denzel outlet pass to Magallanes. Magallanes nagmamagaling Magallanes. Picked up by Mike Mendoza. Pinasa kay Kenneth, no good. Rebound Mike Mendoza. Mike Mendoza turning on the deck. Mike Mendoza pinasa kay Cedric. Cedric. 2 points. Cedric Lita. Jervy, ngayon out ng bola. Pinasa kay Jello. Picked up by Mike. Jello driving to the paint. 2 points in and out. Rebound Charles Ditang. Charles Ditang nagmamadali. Charles Ditang. Charles. It's no good. Layup is no good. Pinigay kay Jello ulit. Jello, 2v1 situation, 3v2 situation. Jello for 3. 3 points. Jello Bernos. Wala. Alvin ngayon may hawak na bola. 15 on the shot clock. Picked up by Denzel. Grabe, inason Denzel. Inason rin ni Jello si Mike. Pero nakalusot si Mike. Mike drop pass to Mark. 2 points. Mark Ramos. Assist. Mike Mendoza. 18 on the shot clock. Denzel, nakita si Jello. Nakagaw ni Mike. Grabe ang sipag. Hustle defense by Mike. 2 points. Mike Mendoza. Our score cut down just by 3. Jello in and out. Jello driving to the paint. Kick out to the corner. Kenneth open 3. No good. Rebound Mark Ramos. Mark Ramos 3v3 situation. Binigay kay Mike Mendoza. Whoa! 2 points. Mike Mendoza with an extra spicy layup. 15 on the shot clock, Magallanes. Rebound, Charles. Foul rep, timeout rep.
Pag timeout ba, boss?
Timeout, red. Sino foul rep? Charles may hawak. Binigay kay Zed. Cedric. Agaw ni out. Basta ko traveling.
Tinopik eh.
18 on Charles binigay kay Alvin. No good. Cedric 2 points. $18 on the shot clock. 14 to shoot. No good. Shot clock reset. Jello. No good. Rebound. Oh, what's ako? Pushing ka. First personal foul. First team foul. No good. Air ball. Alvin binigay kay Cedric. Cedric for 3. No. Change 5. Change 5. Hindi ko napansin. Ayan ang may-ari ng Honda City na kulay red. Tumayo na, naka-black tank top. Tumingin ng...
Isa pa! Walang isa!
Charles! Pwede pa si Charles. Pwede pa si Charles. Pwede pa.
$18 on the shot clock. Shot clock up. No good. Rebound ni Alvin. Binigay kay Cedric. Cedric na mamadali. Cedric. Wait lang daw. 18 on the shot clock. Binigay kay Santos. Santos. Binigay kay Casey. Ball. No good. Wait lang.
Kurt Pinasa. Nagdi-dribble.
Pangit!
Nag-dribble.
Pero andun po sila, Papa. Katok lang po kayo.
Okay, try mo lang. Mag-practice ka lang. Okay lang yan.
Bakit ka naman?
Wala, walang gana.
Wait lang, ito na. Sorry, may tumawag lang. Shot clock 18. Akasio, may hawak na bola. Akasio, driving to the foul. Who's foul rip?
Shock.
Baby Shaq.
Daddy shock na, daddy shock.
Daddy Shaq na?
Oh, daddy shock.
Okay, Daddy Shaq na. Ano score? Ano number? Ano number? 28. Foul number 28. First personal foul. Second team foul. Lenching din drop pass kay Harlego. Harlego drop pass to Lenching. 2 points. Lenching. Assist by Harlego. Alvin may hawak ngayon. 14 on the shot clock. 12 to shoot. Charles. No good. Rebound ni Harlego. Harlego. Pinasa kay nak. Nag-iisa sa court. Oh! Not the layup. No assist, but may rebound naman si Nak. Our score 27-23. Shot clock set at 14. Alvin for 3. No good. Rebound ni Casey. Casey 2 points. No good. Rebound ni Akasio. Oh, tapik ni Alvin. Stolen by outlet pass stolen by Casey. Casey, outlet pass to Baby Shaq. Ay, Daddy Shaq na pala. Casey may hawak ng bola. Shot clock at 14. Binigay kay Charles. 11 to shoot. 8 to shoot. 4 to shoot. 2. Nadulas. Shot clock violation. What is it, Francis? 20 on the shot clock. Akasio, no good.
Kahit sa rin wala eh.
15 to shoot. Charles may hawak ng bola. Charles. 10 to shoot. Charles. Charles driving to the paint. Floater, no good. Rebound ni Charles. Charles. No good. Rebound ni Naknak. Binigay kay Kurt. Kurt turning on the Jets. Kurt 3v2 situation. Kurt. Raw. Wow, number 5.
Nice bye!
Pangalan si 5. First personal foul, third team foul. Bene, pakipilisan. Huwag mo isipin ng ex mo.
Ito ka sa...
Kita mo, mali kasi iniisip mo ang ex mo. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Relax mo lang yung tira mo.
Second shot
Si Coach Mag.
is good. Kurt, relax ka lang daw, sabi ni Sean.
Coach Mag.
Ano yung kinakabahan?
Nanonood ang mga tropa mo dito sa tabi ko. Shot clock set at 16. Kurt picks up Ced. 12 to shoot. Cedric driving. Bumping. N1 rep. N1. Hindi. Okay, no count. 27. Pakain si 27. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Inbound play, Casey. Find Ced. Shot clock set at reset. Cedric, no good. Rebound ni Casey. Foul. Who's foul rep? Harlego. Kuya, anong number mo, kuya? 6. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Casey.
That's my man. Good foul.
Chado boy! Chado! Okay, 1 point for Casey.
Ano gusto nyo nag-away?
Si Por.
Sino nag-away?
Number 27 and number 4, warning for technical.
Bakit nga? Ano yan?
Matati na tayo.
Anong bata tinatalo? Tinalo mo.
15 to shoot. No good. Alvin, binigay kay Charles. Last 1 minute remaining in the second quarter. Charles. Ooh, no good. Rebound ni Casey. No good. Tapik ni Casey. Stolen by Casey. Foul! foul, 27. Third personal foul, penalty.
Tatlo na, tatlong foul na.
Oo nga, sinabi ko yun, third personal foul.
Si Casey Boy Casey Boy. That's my man! 1 out of 5, 1 out of 5.
Shadow!
Ay, 1 out of 6.
Ano, i-cheer mo naman kasi. Yeah.
Good foul, good foul.
Good power.
That's my man!
Kupal din yun. Nakikita mo.
Okay, 2 points. 2 points. 2 points na si Casey. 2 points. Na-shoot yung kanina, baliw.
2 out of 7, 2 out of 7.
2 out of 7 na rin sabi ni RJ. Nenching pinasa kay Harlego. Harlego, turnaround jumper, it's good. Assist by number 27. Charles may hawak. Charles, foul, blocking. 6-7.
Penalty 27, third na.
Penalty rep.
Third na yung 27.
Oh, 13-27. 6-7. Oy, 6-7. 6-7. First personal foul, penalty. Our score 29-26 in favor of Team Red. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Namang ng apat ang Team Red. Shot clock set at 17. Kurt, binangga si Seth. Pass to knock-knock. Way off. Outside. Time remaining 13 seconds. It's running time. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. 5. 3. No good. And that's the end of the second quarter. Going on to the second half. Our score. Last special shoutout. Wala na akong makita eh. Wala akong makita. And start of the third quarter. Our score at 30-26. Namang ng apat ang Team Red. Charles. Oh, nakago ni Kenneth. Kenneth picked up by Seth. Yan na si Kenneth. Cedric. No good. Rebound. Rebound is safe. Rebound. Whose ball? Blue ball? Red ball? Red ball.
Lalong higa dyan. Bawal mo. Yan, aso ko dyan. Yari ka dyan.
Cedric picked up by Kurt. Cedric may screen by Daddy Shaq. Shot clock at 14. Charles 2 point. Assist by Cedric. Brotherly connection. Kurt pinasa kay Jello. Jello takes a 3. Short. Whose ball? Red ball.
Yung kalaban nila Green, talaga yun.
Charles pinasa kay Seth. 16 to shoot. Cedric tries a 3. No good. Rebound Denzel. Binigay kay Kurt Acacio. Kurt, ngayon nagbababa ng bola. Shot clock set up 16. Binigay kay Jello kay Kenneth. Kenneth for 3. No good. Rebound ni Cedric. Cedric turning on the Jets. Libreng-libre si Mike sa kabila. Oh, naiwan yung bola. Sayang. 6 ang lamang ng Team Red. Pero ngayon, it's cut down just to 3. 3 points. Jello Berno. Sino pumasa? Kurt. Okay. Kurt. Assist by Kurt. Kurt picks up Charles. 15 to shoot. Muntik na maagaw. 13 on the shot clock. Charles takes a jumper. Jumper no good. Rebound ni Kenneth. Kenneth ngayon nagbababa na bola. Kenneth. Drop pass to Denzel. Foul. Who's foul? Ref. 4. Daddy Shack. 28 now. Sabi na kasi 4 eh. Sub rep. 28. Pangilan si 28.
Hindi yung 4, hindi yung 4, 28.
Second personal foul, first team foul, 28. Denzel, first shot of the day. No good.
Paul si ano?
Si Denzel nga pala ang tumalo sa amin kahapon. Grabe. Hindi ako nakatulog sa'yo, Denzel. Minumulto ako ng tira mo.
Nakangiti sa'yo.
Our score 32-30 in favor of Team Red. Kurt picks up set. Shot clock set at 14.
Aso!
Cedric, 10 to shoot.
Aso!
7 to shoot. No good. Rebound ni Kenneth. Kenneth, nagmamadali. Kenneth. Kenneth. Picked up by 2 defenders. Nakita si Jello. Jello for 3. Short. Rebound Casey. Casey outlet pass to Mike. Mike, nakinawa ni Jello. 2 points. Mike. Assist by Hartendorf. Score 34-30 in favor of Team Red. Jello, muntik na mapitawan ng bola. Pero nakita si Kenneth, nakita ni Ken si Denzel. Denzel nakita si Kurt. Kurt nakita si Lenching. Lenching tumira ng, drop pass to Denzel pero nakagawan. Kuha ni Cedric. Casey may hawak ng bola. Casey, pinalilagay kay Mike. Mike for 3 in the corner. No good. Rebound Ramos. No good. Rebound Kurt. Kurt, outlet pass to Jello. Jello all the way. Foul. Hey, one. Stare down by Jello.
Ganit mo, mo!
Set. First personal foul, second team foul.
Wala yun.
Bonus shot by Jello is good. Mike tumanggap ng bola. Our score 34-33. Lamang lang ng isa ang Team Red. Shot clock set at 16. Mark. No foul is called, but makes the 2 points. 2 points. Mark Ramos. Our score 36-33. Time remaining in the third quarter, 6 minutes and 13 seconds. Kurt, binalik kay Kenneth. Kenneth takes a 3. No good. Rebound ni Casey. Casey turning on the Jets. Casey, pinasa kay Mike. Mike all the way. Left and left. No good. Muntik na ma-shoot. Kenneth. Binigay kay Kurt. Kurt drop pass. No good. Huli ka kay Casey. Jello for 3. No good. Rebound. Jello. Binigay kay Kurt. Binigay kay Kenneth. Kenneth for 3. No good. Rebound ni Cedric. Timeout ref. Timeout. Referee timeout. Casey, what happened?
Press up!
Here's wow, compassion.
Maingay dito, wait lang.
Casey, okay lang yun. Andyan si
Oo,
Diyos,
mamaya pa
kagamunin
kami,
mga sugat mo.
5:30.
Shot clock at 12. Lamang ng
sige.
tatlo ang Team Red. 9 to shoot. Charles driving. No good. Rebound ni Kenneth. Last 5 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Kenneth binigay kay Kurt. Kurt binigay kay Jello. Jello driving. In and out. Turnover. Red ball. $18 to shoot. It's a close game, guys. Tatlo lang lamang. Mark Ramos may tumanggap. 9 to shoot. Muntik na mago ni Denzel. 5 to shoot. Agaw ni Lenching. Lenching outlet pass to Kenneth. Kenneth all the way. Top board by Kenneth is good. Lamang ng isa ang Team Blue. Ay, Red.
Hindi na nakatanggap.
Charles ngayon nakatanggap ng bola. 18 out of shot clock. Binigay kay Alvin. 2 points. Alvin Santos. Charles Nitang assist. Our score 38 to 35 in favor of Team Red pa rin. Shot clock set at 15. Last 4 minutes remaining. Jello humingi ng screen, doesn't take the screen. Jello driving to the paint.
Lucky.
2 points. Jello Berdos. Our score 38 to 36. O 37 yan, 37 yan. 37 sila.
Sa ba? Pag na-dead ball.
2 points. Mark Ramos. Hindi ko nakita yung pumasa. Sino pumasa? Sino pumasa? Cedric? Okay. Assist by Cedric. 18 on the shot clock. Shot clock set at 12. Jello takes a 3. 2 points.
3 points.
3 points. Ang gulo nyo kasi. Nagugulo na rin ako. Score all tied up 40. Oh! Charles, pinasa kay Mark Ramos.
Boy, yun na sa...
Sub... Ay, wala. Dead ball. 42-40. That's 3 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Jello may hawak. Jello, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound ni Kurt. Kurt, pull up jumper. No good. Jello, pinasa na kay Kenneth. Kenneth, 2 points. Assist by Jello Bernos. All tied up at 42 ang score. Shot clock set at 15. Mike crosses over, pull up. 2 points, Mike Mendoza.
Sabi ko siya.
18 on the shot clock. Jello ang tumanggap. Jello, logo 3. No good. Charles ang nakaribang. Charles. Picked up by Jello. 16 to shoot. Alvin doesn't take a 3. 13 to shoot. Nakagaw ni Kenneth. Outlet pass to Kurt. Kurt and Denzel in the other end of the court. 2 points. Kurt Agasio. Assist by Kenneth Talose.
Net. Go.
Cedric. Foul. Number 27. Sub-rep. Lenching. Warning for graduation. Pangilang team foul na yung blue?
Assisted daw sasaban niya nung shock.
27. Team foul ang tinatanong ko.
Tama.
Oo nga, team foul. First team foul.
Ano pala si Shock?
First shot, Cedric, is good. Second shot. No good. Rebound Harlego. Harlego finds Kenneth. Kenneth passes to Kurt. Shot clock set at 16. Jello. 13 to shoot. Picked up that Mike. Screen by Derby. 10 to shoot. Jello. 8 to shoot. Jello crosses over. Pulls up. No good. Natapik ni Harlego pero nakuha ng Team Red. Team Red niya yung ano. Mike on the other end of the court. 2 points. Mike Mendoza. Assist by Charles Dita. Shot clock set at 16. Kurt, pinasa kay Harlego. Harlego, 2 points is no good. Can't convert it. Pinigay kay Cedric. Cedric all the way. 2 points. Cedric Litang. Assist, Charles Litang. Grabe ang brotherly connection ng dalawa. Last 45 seconds remaining. Shot clock set at 17. Kenneth, Eurostep. 2 points. Kenneth Talose. Score 49-46. Lamang ng tatlo ang Team Red. Alvin may hawak. Alvin binigay kay Cedric. 16 to shoot. Cedric binigay kay Alvin. Alvin for 3. No good. Rebound ni Jello. Jello binigay kay Kenneth. Matik na makagawa ni Charles. Hinahabol ni Casey si Kenneth. Yan na. Good D.
Bola.
250 ms. Naglag ang bola. Walang bola dito. Ayun na. Lilista ko block o lilista ko as foul? Whose ball, rep? Red ball? Blue ball.
Lang yung pre.
Jervy, foul. Hardendorf. Pangilan si Casey. First personal foul, third team foul. Oo nga eh. New, Guinness World of Record yun. Jervy, first shot is good.
First call pa lang.
Yun yung bago. Third quarter at si Casey, first foul pa lang. Jervy, second shot. No good. Kurt, binigay kay Jello, fakes a three. Three is good. Jello Bernos. Assist by Kurt Acacio. 4 to shoot set. 3, 2, 1. No good. Assist Kurt. And that's the end of the third quarter going into the fourth. Our score 50-49. Special shoutout sa pinaka-pogi ng Rooks.
Nakangiti agad. Nakangiti agad. Nakangiti agad.
Leo Tolentino.
Akala mo siya.
Kala mo ikaw, LJ, laos ka na ngayon. Casey Dumrive. No good! Uy, oras. Okay na. Casey picks up Jello. Jello, one-on-one with Casey. No foul is called. Cedric versus Kurt. Cedric, all the way. 2 points, Cedric. Lamang ng isa, ang Team Red. Kurt ngayon may out ng bola. Shot clock set up 14. Kurt driving, kick out to the corner. Jervy, makita si Kenneth. Kenneth for 3, no good. Topic ni Kurt. Muntik na makuha ni Mike pero hindi niya na-recover ang bola. Cedric tumanggap, outlet pass to Casey on the other end. Casey, fake! No good! Rebound Mike. Pinasa kay Jello. Jello versus Shaq. Jello! 2 points. Jello.
Aga. Oma, napakadalan mo, Oma.
Casey tumanggap. Nakatao ngayon ng Team Blue. Kurt versus Seth. 14 on the shot clock. Screen by Shaq.
Offensive.
No.
Bakit na screening?
Foul, Kurt. Pangalan si Kurt. Second personal foul, first team foul.
Bounce naman eh.
Alvin may hawak ng bola, binigay kay Seth. Seth driving. Blue ball, no foul is called. Sino? Okay. Jello ngayon, nagdadala ng bola. Sino? Ay, okay. Nakita. Jello pinasakay Kenneth. Kenneth for 3. No good. Rebound, Alvin. Alvin picked up by Jello. Sumunod si Mike pero hindi na nahuli nila Jervy. Jervy nababa ng bola. Binigay kay Kurt. Kurt driving. Fakes the pass pero binigay kay Jervy pa rin. Jervy can't connect the jumper. Cedric pinasa kay Casey. Casey nagmamadali. Casey pinasa kay Ramos. Ramos balik to Casey. No good! Foul. Number 2. Sa rep. Second personal foul. Team foul. First team foul. Casey, okay lang yan. Huwag ka mawala ng kumpiyansa, Casey.
Bad pass yun ah, bad pass.
Sinisi yung pasa, no?
Hindi bad shot yun, bad pass nga lang.
Sinisi yung pasa, gago.
Jello. No good. Low. That's not a good. Low. Okay na. Foul. Who's foul rep? Team. Third personal foul. Second team foul.
Second dapat. Galit ka, hindi mo sinut.
Binigay ni Ramos kay Charles. Charles finds Mendoza. Mendoza takes a 3. 3 points. Mike Mendoza. Our score 54-52. Lamang ang team red ulit. Kenneth versus Cedric. Mike versus Kurt. 10 to shoot. Kurt, 8 to shoot. Foul, Charles. Number 8. First personal foul. Second team foul. Second. Kenneth binigay kay Kurt. Kurt, back to Kenneth. Kenneth takes a 3. It's short. Rebound Mike. Back to Seth. $14 to shoot. Cedric. No good. Rebound knee shot.
Good, tira.
Shot. Back to Seth. To Charles.
Kaliwa.
Charles. Jumper. No good. Rebound Kenneth. Kenneth nagbababa ng bola. Kenneth. Back to Jello. Jello. No good. Rebound ni Charles. Charles nagbababa ng bola.
Kaliwa.
17 to shoot. Foul rep. Sub rep. Kenneth. Sub Kenneth. Time remaining 6 minutes in the final quarter. Our score 54-52. Meron. 18 on the shot clock. Cedric driving. No fouls called. Follow up by Ramos is good.
Time out.
Timeout ref, timeout.
Kaya.
Sorry, hindi ko narinig. Sorry. Akin yan. Foul. Timeout ref, timeout. May timeout ba? Timeout blue.
Wala.
Committee lang po kami dito. Committee lang kami.
Bahala tumawag mo.
Kurt. First shot by Kurt is good.
Score, pre.
Score na mga 52, di ba?
Second shot.
Galit ka.
Second shot ni Kurt is good. Charles. Driving si Charles. Who's foul rep? Jello. Okay. Pakilan si Jello. First personal foul. Third team foul. Oh, first daw, sabi ng committee.
Wala siyang foul.
Our score 56-54. Time remaining 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Shot clock reset. Charles cuts to the paint. What a pass by Mark Ramos. 2 points. Charles Litang. Magallanes tumanggap. Magallanes binigay kay Kurt. Kurt has 15 to shoot. 12 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Kurt. No good. Rebound Cedric. Shot clock set at 18. Our score 58-54. Cedric driving. Nope, agaw ka kay Mike. Mike, outlet pass. Medyo malakas pero hindi. Nakahabol naman si Jello. Jello, 2 points. Assist Magallanes. I repeat, assist by Magallanes. Alvin nakalusot. Binigay sa corner. Nakikita si Cedric. Agaw ka kay Kurt. Stolen by Kurt yun. Knock. Oh, muntik na matay number Jello. Drive into the paint. Foul. Number 8. Pangilan si Charles. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. LJ, ba't ka nagchat sa akin? Ano yun? Ay, sorry. Hindi ko nakangita. Sub rep. Subrep. Ay, wala pa. Wala pa.
Nakashoot. Time out.
Sino? Time out, rip. Time out, rip. Dalawa. Back to the ball game. Our score all tied up at 58. Casey driving. Short again. Rebound ni Alvin. Casey tumanggap. 18 to shoot. Alvin fakes. Jumper. In and out. Rebound Ramos. Ramos. Foul. And one. Who's foul the rep? Who's foul? 28. 28. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Bonus shot is no good. Jello receives the ball. 4 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. 17 to shoot. Jello picked up by Casey. Screen by Lanching. Jello. 2 points. Jello Bernos. Casey may hawak. 15 to shoot. Pinagay kay Charles. Tao-tao ang depensa ng Team Blue. 9 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Charles takes a 3. Short. Rebound Kenneth. Kenneth pinagay kay Jello. Jello. 2v1 situation. 3v2 situation. Jello. Napitawan ng bola. Tinitigan pa ni Casey si Jello. Alvin drop. Uy, libre sa ilalim. Assist by Alvin. 2 points. Mark Ramos. $15 to shoot. Jello versus Casey. No good. Whose ball? Same ball. Red ball. Same ball. Shot clock 9. 9 seconds shot clock. 8 to shoot. Mike libre sa 3. Short. Rebound Charles. Foul. Kenneth Salose. Kenneth. First personal foul. Penalty. Sub-rep. Penalty. Charles, tira.
Kaya nga. Magulangin nyo.
First shot is good.
Advantage yun ng offense.
Score 63-60. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Foul pa rin yung defender.
Second shot. 2 points. 64 to 60.
Ginawa gago.
Kenneth.
Nakita.
No good.
Nakita. Binigyan ni Jello pero di mo nakita.
Jello, no good.
Ano ginawa gago? Ano, galit mo ah. Nabigyan siya. Dahil na.
64-60. Charles picked up by ulit. Ayun na, mabutumigil na naman si Casey. Charles binangga si Kenneth. Charles, reverse layup is no good. Rebound ni Kenneth. Kenneth, nagmamadali. Kenneth, hinahabol ni Casey. Casey, hinahabol si Kenneth. Binangga ni Kenneth si Casey. No good. Follow up, no good. Rebound ni Kurt. Binigay kay Jello. Jello, pinasa kay Lenching. Lenching for 3. Tabingi. Rebound ni Cedric. Pinasa kay Alvin. Binigay kay Cedric. Cedric, drop pass to Ramos. Hindi tinira ni Ramos. No fouls called. Cedric, foul. Lenching, graduate. 27, graduate. Penalty, penalty. Time remaining, last 2 minutes. First shot is good for Cedric. Tama. O yan, 65, tama lang. Hindi. Hindi, 61 kanina. Who's wrong? Oleg, isa pa. Cedric binigay kay Santos. Yan at Casey, tumigil si Jenos. Cedric, foul, 25. Second personal foul, penalty. Cedric, one shot. Ay, first shot pa. No good. Technical. Sino rep? Double technical. Double technical. Jendo and Casey. Okay, no free throws, no free throws. Double technical lang. Ano mo ginawa?
Nagagaguan doon, nagagaguan sa naman o. Nagkakbayan.
No good. 65-60 ang score. Jello, step back 3. Ah, hindi, yan na. 2 points lang. No good. Rebound Harlego. Harlego, 2 points is good. Tatlo naman lamang. Anyone's ball game. 1 minute and 22 seconds remaining. Charles, no call. Kenneth, binigay kay Jello. Alam ni Cedric, tumawag si Cedric. Cedric binigay kay Charles. Charles, foul, 25. Third personal foul.
Paul ang technical Paul, di ba? Paul pa rin yun, di ba? Dalawa lang.
Ted!
Best player si Casey.
First shot is good. Second shot is good. Our next game, yellow versus maroon. Kurt. Muntik na ma-turnover. Jello, binigay kay Kenneth. Kenneth for 3. No good. Last 1 minute remaining. Rebound ni Ramos. Binigay kay Cedric. Binigay kay Charles. Charles ngayon nagdadala ng bola. Shot clock set at 16. 14 to shoot. 5 ang namang ng Team Blue. Shot clock 7. 4 to shoot. Alvin for 3. No good. Shot clock violation. Time remaining 33 seconds. Our score is 67-62. Kurt, you're having tatlo na lang ang lamang. 67-64 ang score. Casey nakatanggap. Casey. Foul. Penalty. Number, Kuya, 7. Kuya, 6. Kuya, number mo, Kuya. Kuya, number mo. 15. 7. Narinig ko 15, sorry. 7. Second personal foul. Casey, 2 shots. 64. First shot is good. Ayusin mo, naka-video si Chato. Tumingin, wala na, nabati na. Second shot, no good.
Best player of the game.
I was wrong. 23 seconds remaining. Kurt walking down the dog. Kurt, binigay kay Kenneth. Finding someone, finds Kurt. Pinasok kay Harlego na bitaw. Turnover. 16 seconds remaining. Cedric binigay kay Charles. Bigay nyo kay Casey. Bigay nyo kay Casey. Yan na, Casey. Casey tumira ng 3. Short. And that's the end of the ball game. Uy, sayang. Counted. Our final score, 69-67. Counted. Best player of the game.
Shan.